Today we're doing a low-carb twist on a popular coconut candy. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com and I've teamed up with ChocZero and we're going to show you how to make keto coconut joys. Now these coconut joys are very similar to the Almond Joy candy bar, but they're simpler to make and they are sugar-free and keto approved. Plus, they are incredibly easy to make, so if you need to make a keto dessert on the fly or just have a craving for some chocolate and coconut with nuts, this is your recipe. In a small bowl, we're gonna start by adding 1 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut flakes. You'll also need 1/2 cup of powdered sweetener, and then 1/4 cup of unsalted butter that's melted. Mix this together until it's combined, and then to make our coconut joys, you're gonna pinch out a little bit of this dough and then stuff a whole almond inside, roll it into a ball, and then place it on a parchment-lined tray. Repeat that with the rest of your coconut dough. Next, we're gonna drizzle on some melted chocolate on top. So I'm gonna be using ChocZero's milk chocolate baking chips. I'm just gonna melt it down into the microwave at 30-second intervals, stirring in between until it's melted. You'll need about 1/4 cup of their chocolate chips, and then just drizzle that on top of your coconut balls. Then to help this set and the chocolate to harden, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for around like 15-20 minutes or so, just until your chocolate's set, and that's it. This is a super simple, easy keto dessert you guys can make. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your keto coconut joys.